Alrighty, y'all. See what the problem is here? This is a Schlage Addison handle set, and it was getting harder and harder for the thumb thing to work. And let me move this. This normally sits in that position. When you press that, that bar lifts up, and you can see this is bent out. And it's causing it to not get to contact the wrong area right there. It's not supposed to be hitting that, it's supposed to be hitting that lip right there. So we got to unscrew these 3 screws. All right, we got those 3 screws out, and it is a little bit spring loaded here. So we're just going to lift this off. And it looks like we also have to take out that screw. Take that screw, the thumb thing will fall out. This, which presses up against the back of the case. So when you're putting it back on, you just have to make sure it's like that. This is so icky. Basically what we have to do here is bend this down maybe. Oh, it's not bending down because it's so bent out. We gotta go ahead and get mounted up for this. How am I gonna do this with it obviously in the way? I don't want to take that roll pin out if I don't have to. Let's see if I can't use a big pair of pliers to get in there and bend this in. Yep, if I press here, come in here, stay there. Oh yeah, scrunch. Scrunch. And now it's hitting where it's supposed to. Okay, so I've bent that little tab back in, and it looks like we're bent all the way in. So now let's just, this is kind of the harder part though. So that's where that screw went into. Poke this in here. See where the screw scratches it there, or the spring. So we're just going to kind of bend this down. Where did this go? Yeah, we're just going to bend this. Hold up. Have an idea first. That's nasty. It's still nasty, but whatever. Alright, so thumb thing. We're going to scrunch. Scrunch. And stabilize. Where is it? Where is it? There. Don't forget to take your ladder back to the door, Jason. Put those 2 down. I think that top one can be last once we get this where it's supposed to be, like right there. Kind of tighten that screw back down. And it should operate correctly now. Where's that 3rd screw? Here it is. 4th screw, I guess it would be. Don't forget the 4th screw. Okay. Yet another use for the big ass pliers. Voila.